How to block a contact on Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to block a contact on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon. You can block from search on your contact and block the contact you want. If you don't want that, choose the conversation you want and choose those 3 points up there, and you're gonna find your contact profile up there. Click on it, click on those 3 points, and you're gonna find block and turn on this option. Now a blocked contact will not be able to message or call you, and you can't message them again. You can click on block, and this is it, easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.